Hello everyone, this is a tutorial of the vessel energy dissection exercise. I don't think it's one of the best exercises, but it's certainly an interesting one. You basically have to scrap all the fat away from the vessel and then ligate the vessel using bipolar cautery, which is on your right foot on the leftmost side of your right foot. You can try to scrape the fat off until you expose both black rings, and then the exercise is going to ask you to ligate that structure using cautery and then cut it in the middle using your right hand, the scissor.